In continuation to verbal reasoning, the next topic what we are going to see is decision making. It is written, each question presents a situation and asks you to make a judgment regarding that particular circumstance. Choose an answer based on the given information. First one, the film director wants an actress for the lead role of Lucy who perfectly fits the description that appears in the original screenplay. He is not willing to consider actresses who do not resemble the character as she is described in the screenplay, no matter how talented they are. The screenplay describes Lucy as an average sized 40 something, red headed, with deep brown eyes, with fair skin, and a brilliant smile. The casting agent has 4 actresses in mind. Now, thing is, the casting agent has given these options 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to choose which of these actresses resembles the same thing, whatever is described in the screenplay. Actress 1 is a stunning red-haired beauty who is 5 feet 9 inches and in her mid-20s, means mid-20s and 5 feet 9 inches, these two do not match. Then actress 2 has red hair, big brown eyes. It is matching. Red hair is matching. Big brown eyes or deep brown eyes is matching. Fair complexion, fair skin, it is matching. She is in her mid-40s. That is also 40 something matching. 5 feet 5 inches, average sized, that is also matching. So this looks to be okay. Then actress number 3 is 5 feet 4 inches and of medium build. So she has red hair, brown eyes, and is in her early 40s. You may notice here, even here, medium build means it is average sized and 5 feet 4 inches also normal height. She has red hair, it is matching, brown eyes matching, early 40s it is matching. So more or less 3 is also okay. Actress 4, blue-eyed, this itself is defeating, and the early 30s is also not matching, slightly build, stands very low height. So this does not match, which means more or less 2 and 3 are matches. Now, if we look into the options, option B matches with our decision. So option B is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. The school principal has received complaints from parents about bullying in the schoolyard during recess. He wants to investigate and end this situation as soon as possible. So he has asked the recess aides to watch closely. Which situation should the recess aides report to the principal? First one, option A girl is sitting glumly on a bench reading a book and not interacting with her peers. There is no such bullying activity in the first option. 4 girls are surrounded another girl and seem to have possession of her backpack. So this looks to be a bullying activity. Then option C also will see 2 boys are playing a one-on-one game of basketball and are arguing over the last basket scored. That is only a discussion or argument what is happening. It is not bullying. The fourth one, 3 boys are huddled over a handheld video game which is not supposed to be on school grounds. Again, something is not to be in school grounds, but it is definitely not talking about bullying. So that means among all this option B matches with the situation what is being explained, bullying situation. So the right answer is option B. Third one, Zachary has invited his 3 buddies over to watch the basketball game on his widescreen television. They are all hungry, but no one wants to leave to get food. Just as they are arguing about who should make the food run, a commercial comes on for a local pizzeria that delivers. The phone number flashes on the screen briefly, and they all try to remember it. By that time, Zachary grabs a pen and paper. Each of them recollects a different number. All of the men agree that the first three numbers are 995. Second, three of them agree that the fourth number is 9. Three agree that the fifth number is 2. Three agree that sixth number is 6. Three others agree that the seventh number is also 6. So based on these, we need to identify which of the numbers is most likely the telephone number of the pizzeria. So first, based on the first number one collection of memory, all the men agreed that the first three numbers are 995, which means we can definitely consider the first three numbers as 995. That we can be sure about it. Three of them agree that the fourth number is 9. 3 out of 4 agreed that fourth number is 9, so we can consider the fourth number to be 9 only. Then 3 agree that the fifth number is 2. Fifth number is 2, 3 agreed again. Maximum 3 out of 4 agreed that the fifth number is 2. We can consider that to be 2. Then 3 agree that the sixth number is 6. Again, 3 out of 4 agreed that the sixth number is 6. We can also go with that. 3 others agree that the seventh number is also 6. Again, 3 out of 4, it is a majority that is agreeing that the seventh number is 6. We can also consider that to be 6. Now, together we can say that the number should be 9959266, which matches with our first option. So that will be the solution for this. As a part of verbal reasoning, the next topic is puzzle tests. First question, what number comes inside the circle? Means last row, there is a circle where there is a question mark. We need to find out that. If we compare each row, we may notice one thing, that the middle number is the, you can say, like, for the example, the first one, middle number is nothing but sum of the other two numbers divided by 2. So which is 6 by 2. Same way here, the middle number is 5. If I add all those numbers, other numbers, 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, we may get 8 plus 2, 10 divided by 2. We get that 5. Same way, here the middle number is 8. It is nothing but sum of all the numbers, that is 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Let us see that. 7, 9, 12, 15, 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Even let us check this. Middle number is 8 and some of the other numbers are 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 2. Let us check this. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 by 2 is 8. So on that basis, now for the last row, middle number, the question mark should be 9 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 12 by 2. So it should be, 12 by 2. 12 by 2. So that should be 6. So the answer should be 6. Let us move on to the next question. Which number replaces the question mark? So here we have 4, 7, 9, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, in between 12, in between 4 here, 2, 6, 5, question mark. So let us find out, is there any pattern in this? If I add the lower part of the triangle, that is 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9, and subtract it with 4, we get that 12. Similarly here, 1 plus 4, which is 5, minus 1, we get the middle number 4. Same way here, let us add lower part numbers, which is 6 plus 5 minus 2. This is 11 minus 2, 9. Means the question mark is 9. Let us move on to the next one. Which number completes the puzzle? 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. We may notice it's all prime numbers starting from 5. That means the next prime number should be 19. Let us move on to the next one. Which number replaces the question mark? Here we may notice this is 1 square. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. This is 5 square. This is 6 square. This is 7 square. This is 8 square. This is 9 square. That means this should be 4 square. 4 square. So the question mark should be 16. That is the result for this. Let us move on to the next one. Which number replaces the question mark? So here our term 1 is 3. Term 2 is given as 5. Term 3 is 8. Term 4 is 13. Term 5 is 22. Term 6, we'll call it as X. Now, here in between, term 2 minus term 1 is 2. Term 3 minus term 2 is 3. Then here, term 4 minus term 3 is 5. Here, term 5 minus term 4 is 9. Here, you may notice term 6 minus term 5. Term 5 should be X minus 22. Again, let us find out the difference in between this 3 and 2. It is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here this is X minus 22 minus 9. Right? So this can be written as the previous, that is 1 into 2. The previous is 2 into 2. So this should be the previous into 2, which means we can equate this separately. X minus, this is 31 equal to 8. That means our X should be 31 plus 8 and it should be 39. So the question mark, whatever it is, it should be 39.